Hey guys, Brendan from TAT here. Just want to make sure you're aware of our upcoming face-to-face training. Now this is a full day course. We've got some other dates in other cities that I'll run through in a moment, but focusing on scan tools, but mainly about the diagnostic process. So I want to run you right from taking the customer in, how we deal with that, how we deal with pricing, how we approach a diagnostic job so that we've got a set pattern, a procedure that we can apply no matter the problem. Then obviously it's going to focus heavily on scan tools, but no matter what the scan tool you've got, we've all got plenty, there's hundreds out there. It's not going to be a button pushing exercise. As you go through this workbook that all attendees are going to get, you'll quickly see that it's not just about sort of navigating through your scan tool. We're all well beyond that. We start to get into some case studies focusing on GDI, Common Rail, and getting later in the day we start talking about secure gateways, networks, those kinds of things. Because with a full day course it gives us the luxury of there's so much going on. We want to address some of these things with right to repair that's come out and secure gateways and all those kinds of things that are coming at us quickly. So as I said, there's a few dates we've already got out. You could either just Google TAT training, or if you're on the TAT site, we could head down to technical training, and that's going to get you through to the AA section where we can actually make the booking. So as I said, coming up soon is Adelaide on Saturday the 24th of September, in Perth on Saturday the 15th of October, and then ACT on Saturday the 22nd of October. Now we will have more dates and more cities coming out, guys. At this point we're really probably not going to be heading rural, so we can use the webinars to get out to more rural, but we'll be looking at the capital cities. So if you happen to be close by to one of these, you probably will want to get on board while you've got the chance. So take a look at the links there, guys, which we'll have down below as well, and hopefully I can see you there.